Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fade in and out in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find the option to start a new project. Here you're going to find open project, new team project, and open a team project. So right now I'm going to click on create new. And then once you do that, go ahead and choose the media you want to work with. So for example, I'm going to choose this video, click on import. And as you can see guys, now we added the video. So right now, once you add your video, the easiest way to add the fade effect is to go right here to effects and presets. And then once you click on it right here, you're going to find all of these sections, animation presets, 3D channel, audio, blur and sharpen, and so on. You can either choose for the fade or search for the fade effect right here, or you can just go to the search bar and then type fade, and then once you do that right here, under behavior, you're going to find fade in over layer below, fade in and out, frames, fade in and out by millisecond, or fade out over the layer below. So right now, I'm going to add fade in over the layer below. So just go ahead, hold it, grab it, and then drag it right here to the timeline. And then once you do that, it will be added. And right now, if you want to add the fade out effect, just go ahead and do the same step, drag it, and then just drop it right here. And then it will be added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.